do to reduce our waste while we're out on the go. Let's go!
Number 1, reusable water bottle. I've had this guy for 10 years now, and it's been pretty much everywhere with me. I think it just becomes habit, plus we all want to drink more water anyway, so just remembering to fill it up right before you leave the house. That way you always have it with you and you can refuse single-use plastic water bottles. Number 2, reusable. Number 2, a reusable hot water or hot liquid container, I guess. These aren't new, they've been around for so long. You just have to find one that works for you. But I find that they're the best because it seals and I can flip it upside down. I'm kind of
messy.
You don't know me. And these are really good for protecting from spills. Keeps the coffee pretty warm. I'm a coffee drinker, but you can use it for literally anything. Number 3, a jar. I don't necessarily use this every time I'm out, but I find that it's really nice to have one with you. I don't personally use a straw of any kind. I don't even have a reusable straw. I just don't find it's that necessary. But yeah, I think it's just a nice way to have another container on hand so that you can be prepared for any occasion or any liquid that you might want along your travels. Just realized I literally just used this, so it's kind of dirty. But for this one, it's kind of hard because containers take up a lot of space in your bag. But if you know that you're going to go to a fast food restaurant, I always bring something of a generous size to whatever place I'm going. Next is that of reusable cutlery. This is just from my set at home, so you can literally pick one of each and put it in some kind of container and bring it everywhere you go. Next is a reusable grocery bag. These have been around for so long, it seems silly to mention, but it's another thing like the water bottle where you have to just find something that works for you to create a habit of always remembering to bring one with you. This one is actually handmade, and it's nicely brought together by a little clasp, like so. Isn't it beautiful? And lastly, I have these reusable produce bags. I have a couple in my backpack at all times. I just like to be prepared, and they take up no room at all. Have a nice little drawstring. I actually got these on Amazon about a year ago. I'm really excited when I found them as an alternative. If you're looking for a cheap alternative solution, obviously Amazon is really convenient. They are not that expensive. I've never looked back. They are awesome. Thank you so much for watching. I don't think any of the things that I've shared are super creative, things that I just do in my everyday life and either have done for a while or trying to be better at. It's really hard to avoid the single-use plastics, but I'm trying my best, and I wanted to share those ideas that I had, so maybe inspire somebody else, or hopefully tell people that even though you get handed things all the time that are going to be used once and then thrown away, that there are things that you can do to avoid that. I hope that you're on board with that as well. And if you'd like to see more of my thoughts and lifestyle changes, join my natural adventure. Maybe click subscribe. It sounds super weird. But just drink out of your damn reusable water bottle, okay? How do YouTubers do this? How do you just say things?